We hired our first intern in 2000.
2016.
In 2010.
2016.
The reasoning for us leading into creating an internship program at MWH Group was we wanted to access the local talent pool, and what better place than looking at Midwestern State University for us. They're highly accredited in their accounting department, and we wanted to somehow tap into that resource. The relationships that we've developed with MSU through the internship program has definitely developed a natural pipeline, if you will, of talent.
The City of Wichita Falls is committed to growing our community and keeping our young talent here. We want to keep them local. We want to take advantage of all the great skills that they've acquired at Midwestern State University, Vernon College, WFISD. The amount of knowledge and skill that they bring to our workplace is tremendous.
I think the benefits to the city for an internship program are opportunities to interact with the youth of our community and provide them professional opportunities to grow their careers. As a result of our internship program, we have had a few full-time hires that have come out of college, performed in our internship program, and then we hire them into full employment. I think it is easier for individuals that have had an internship with the city to naturally transition into employment with the city.
When you think of innovation, the first thing that comes to mind is fresh. There's a freshness of ideas, there's a freshness of perspective, there's a fresh way of looking at things that probably stale old eyes like myself, who's been looking at a problem for so many years, and then this fresh set of eyes come in and they go, why don't you just do this? It's a breath of fresh air. It is really innovation at its very best, because you have that creativity of ideas, that new ideas that come from the intern that they're eager, they're tech savvy, they have a lot of ways, they want things done quickly, so they tend to find good process improvements. A lot of it comes from interns, because they don't follow the mundane, they see things from a different viewpoint and go, well, why don't we try this?
It's time.
It's time.
It's time, Wichita Falls.
Hire an intern.
They're ready to work.